Manipur reported its first positive COVID-19 case today. A 23-year-old woman from Imphal West district of Manipur who returned from the United Kingdom on March 21st was tested positive this morning. She is being kept in the isolation ward of Jennings Hospital. Doctors said she has not shown any life-threatening symptoms and is so far stable. The Manipuri woman studying at the Bristol University in the United Kingdom reached Delhi on March 19 and flew from Delhi to Kolkata on the same day, where she was joined by her younger brother who had also returned from abroad. They spent the night in a hotel together and flew from Kolkata to Imphal on March 21st on board Air Asia flight number I-5501. Meanwhile, 12 people who had been in close contact with her have been already quarantined at UNACO School in Maitram, Imphal West District. Passengers who had travelled along with them are being traced to be quarantined in their respective districts. Curfew has been imposed in Imphal West District of Manipur amidst the ongoing total shutdown declared by the state government until March 31st as a preventive measure against the deadly novel coronavirus. This is Joyশ্রী Usham, Bureau Report, Impact News, Imphal.